is the time of the harvest as we draw near to the year's end. Now is the time of Mabon, autumn is the time to visit. A woman waits patiently for us as the threshold of the lover ends within. She offers her hand that we may understand the treasures that await at Jesus. Great Mother has given up her body. We give thanks for her fruit and her grain.
Room quarter candle for air. Room quarter candle for fire. Yeah, still gotta get the holder for that. Kate the nail. A croissant. Yes, I know it's supposed to be for Samhain, this chalice, but or plastic glass. Couldn't afford to get one, or didn't have time to get one, but this will have to do. Don't these bats and spiders look cute? Room quarter candle for earth. Room quarter candle for water.
As we draw near to the year's end, now is the time of
Hope you have a blessed Mabon and Esbat tomorrow, and blessed be.